name is Bob Martin. I'm president of Ideal Products. We manufacture lockers, and welcome to our Introduction to Lockers video. Very specifically, we manufacture wood and plastic laminate lockers, and today we want to discuss the basics of our plastic laminate lockers. Our display behind me is of our Ideal 2000 series plastic laminate lockers, and we've used Formica's red, white, and blue to see it, so you can see a good contrast of the colors that we can use. Lots of colors are available: wood grains, textured, deco metals, and all are available on the plastic laminate lockers. Here we have our standard frame sizes, 12 inches wide and 16 inches wide. These are 12 inches. These three frames are 16 inches. Our display is all 72 inches high. They're all 18 inches deep. Other standard and custom sizes are available, and our in-house CAD engineers will configure the lockers to your specific needs. So our display with the contrasting colors, red, white, and blue, makes it very easy to see how the lockers are manufactured by the frame. So for example, our model M, executive style double tier, 16 inches wide. This is a frame of double tiered lockers. Here's our model A, 16 inches wide. That's a single door, single frame of lockers. Over here, we've got our 12-inch wide. This is our model F, 12 inches wide, 6-tiered frame of lockers. The frame height is 72 inches, and the frame is 12 inches wide. Here's our model D, which is a 4-tiered frame of lockers. And our model C, a 3-tiered frame of lockers. So your choice of colors on the exterior of the door, and with our 2000 series, the edging will match that color. On the inside, as a standard, we use frosty white vinyl for the vertical surfaces. That would be the sides and the back. Our rear panel is ventilated with these 1/4-inch ventilation holes. We typically put in a mini shelf finished with a black thermofused melamine. So we discussed the specifics of the interior or standard lockers. Now I'd like to show you what we have in our Model A, our single-tiered frame of lockers. We have that right over here. This Model A is 16 inches wide, and it's equipped on the inside with a full-size hat shelf, nickel-plated coat rod, 2 side-mounted double-pronged coat hooks. We've got a mini shelf. We got a 2/3 the depth shoe shelf, and then the bottom of the locker. Our Ideal 2000 series equipped with our heavy-duty European concealed hinges, self-closing, and we've got our heavy-duty keyed lock, 2 keys per lock, and all master keyed, and our recessed number disc. Then I'd like to discuss our Model M. Right here, we've got a white one. It's a double-tiered frame of locker, an executive-style double tier, 16 inches wide. The executive part means that it's got full-length hanging space in both upper and lower lockers. There's the upper portion, here's the lower portion. Both sides have a double-pronged ceiling-hung coat hook and a hanging section, mini shelf, and then places for shoes or shoe shelves. And then we have a mini shelf in the bottom. Here we have our Model N, which is a standard double tier, 16 inches wide. We've got lockers both top and bottom. Each locker is equipped with a double-pronged ceiling-hung coat hook and a mini shelf. And here we have our European concealed hinges and keyed locks, recessed number disc. Here we have our Model C. We would refer to this one as our Ideal 2000 series Model C, 12 inches wide, 18 inches deep, 72 inches tall for the frame. It's a triple-tiered frame of lockers. So you've got 3 lockers, 1, 2, 3, one on top of the other. Each locker is equipped with a double-pronged ceiling-hung coat hook mini shelf. And of course we have the European concealed hinges and the keyed lock, recessed number disc. And moving right along, here we have our Model D, which is a 4-tier frame of lockers. Each locker opening measures 18 inches high, 18 inches on the inside. Model Ds are not equipped with coat hooks or mini shelves. We've got the European concealed hinges, recessed number disc, keyed locks, and there's 4 lockers, one on top of the other for the Model D. Here we have our Model F, which is a 6-tier frame of lockers, 12 inches wide, and each locker is 12 inches tall, 18 inches deep on the inside, and standard features of the Ideal 2000 series, great for putting a small purse inside. Next we have our Model L, executive style double tier, probably the most popular in our product line. 12 inches wide, executive style double tier, and that means full length hanging space in both upper and lower lockers. The hanging spaces are equipped with a double pronged ceiling hung coat hook and a mini shelf. And each locker opening has shelves at the bottom of the locker. Our Model L, executive style double tier. And all the lockers need to sit up on a base. So here we have our 4-inch high finished base, black plastic laminate, raises the lockers up off the floor so the doors will not drag, nor when they're being opened will they hit the top of your foot. So all the lockers sit on top of a base. As an overview, uses for the locker models. The Model L, executive style double tier, business areas where hanging suits and skirts and slacks is important. You got full length hanging space in both upper and lower lockers. Our Model F, 6-tier, oftentimes located outside the locker room, great for storing purses and small items. Each locker being 12 inches tall. Here's our Model D, 4-tier. Each locker is 18 inches tall, great for storing larger purses. Here's our Model C. Each locker is 24 inches tall, triple-tiered frame of lockers, large purses, and gym bags. Our Model N, standard double tier, large items, large purses, large gym bags, and hanging space as well. The Model M, 16 inches wide. You got more of the executive full-length hanging space in upper and lower lockers and just more space. And then the Model A, single tier, you've got lots of storage area inside each frame of lockers. Thanks for listening and watching our video. I'm Bob Martin.